All right, yes, welcome to today's show. How on a day, this beautiful, beautiful, fake Monday afternoon. I hope say every day go well for you. And as I dey always dey talk every Monday, I hope say you start your day with positive attitude. The week they very blessed, so all you need to do now to wake up and actually tap into the week with the blessings and opportunities waiting for this week. So not sit down and dull yourself at all. You need to take that bold step. Welcome once again to today's show. Now, don't forget, say today we dey always discuss stories them where they very motivating. Where if you actually push you to do one thing or the other, and we go put our mouth inside, but we not fit put our mouth inside complete without saying you also put your mouth inside. Now you go need to follow us on top Twitter at Princess Uwi, at Bettiana, at Oluwa Skimpy, and put your mouth inside all the stories where we carry come give you today. Now today we go yarn you of the blind Nigerian graduate where don't put up a kidney for sale. Now why he talk saying one sell a kidney, we go send you the story and the ladies go to put their mouth inside. Also, we go yarn you as actress for Foluke Daramola don't come outside talk say men and women they're not supposed to get equal rights. Does she have a point? Well, we go find that. And also, Governor Ambode don't reward policemen who have returned 5 million naira. How much you take reward them? What you give them? We go send you the story. And lastly, we go yarn you of how Delsu best graduating students are in the Kolobi appointment from the governor. These and many more now we go actually send you on top of today's show. Now still not forget say we get other things are going. The ladies will tell you what go share on top of the show today.
Now, welcome. Yes, today na Monday, better day for Inside the Week. I hope so your weekend day very kajat. Today we get better manners where we go sunshine because you need to learn all those bad things when they do up and down outside for inside the obodo. You need to change them, and we go to teach you plenty on top better manners of the day today.
Yes. The ladies don't talk and well. Don't forget now Motivation Monday with the inside and everything about positivity. No forget if you talk positivity into your life, now positiveness now go to follow you. No forget very important.
Yes, very important. This man they beat him. It was glaring. Everybody see and say the other man they beat him, but he not give up. He keep on to they play. What do you think, or rather, which message you get for people as regards to this story?
This one a typical example of he who laughs last laughs best. Because I watched the video and initially the man we been they win, they talk. When the other one begin they win his voice can't they mellow, he can't they reduce, small by inch, he stops to the talk. At the same time, he go also teach us say no matter what they happen for inside life, as long as you get life, you get passion, and then you get dedication. Just they do them one day, something go come out of them. You know if you tell where your breakthrough go come from. You get one picture where I see online about one small man where they knock wall. He done they knock the wall, he can't tire, he turn back. At the point where he turn back, now like that's two knock and I remain for him to actually meet a breakthrough. Oh, no. But now at that point he can't decide say you know they do again. So no matter what, just keep pressing. One day, as long as say you still there alive, you still they breathe air from this your nose and your mouth, once something go happen.
Now make them they always they talk say whatever you do for this life, may you not give up. Now the point now be say it no matter the number of times where you fall, you feel they do something, you feel fall 20 times. But waiting matter now be say when you fall down that 20 times, you go stand up again. Because for this life, person will never try to do something, I go say never make mistake before. But if you don't make mistake, tell people say I try to do this thing and make mistake. That means say you they try to achieve something. And before you know, better thing will come your way. So just never give up. Now be the cocoa of the levels.
Very true. I don't care waiting they happen for your life. I don't care whether say petrol day or petrol not day, whether say light day or light not day. Now I feel said I'd always talk and say, if you give up, now the first form of failure for me. Because as you don't tell yourself, say I not fit do am. Now failure totally. So never ever tell yourself say you not fit do am. Even though say everybody beat you for road, especially single ladies. Even though say all your friends don't marry. And now you still remain. Never ever tell yourself, say, I'm not woman enough.
Exactly.
Because at that point, you're going to say, it's for my village. Maybe one uncle for my village, they put me. Oh, maybe now one auntie will not want to make I succeed. Maybe not want to make I marry. Now then you start to think about different things, but never ever give up. Just keep on and they believe in yourself. All right, moving on now from that motivational video. You were there, what you think about them? Let us know. Follow us on top Twitter at Princess Uwi, at Bettiana, at Oluwa Skimpy. Make we talk about this particular one. Still onto about not giving up. This blind man, Nigerian graduate, he named Kamilu Suleiman. and he's 32 years old, and a graduate of electrical electronics from Kaduna Polytechnic. He's na Idigin of Osun State. Now, they say they born him and also in grow for inside Kaduna State as the second of 7 children. But now, he don't decide to sell one of his kidney to further in education. Now, according by make we hear wetin the boy talk. He talk say, frustration. Now, wetin bring me to this idea of sitting down to ready to sell my kidney just for me to get money to sponsor my education. I really want make a day very useful for the society. I don't want the effort of my parents to go in vain. They be diagnosed me with glaucoma for inside National Eye Center Kaduna in 2009, but I lost my sight completely for inside 2012. After I lost my sight completely, I can't decide say make I live with a friend to avoid make my parents see me for this condition where I dey. I don't apply to various media organizations. I dey seek for job, but I no dey hear anything from them. My effort to look for somebody who go sponsor my master's program, it no yield any result. So now, I want further my education so that I go dey useful to society and help others wey dey for my condition. My parents no get money, and I no want to put this burden on top their head. So that's now why I don't decide to sell my kidney to take get money to further my education. Now, ladies, now the right step for this particular man to take, say, he want go for masters. So because he don't get money to go for masters, that's not why he want to sell the kidney. You feel say this is not the right step for him to take?
He reached to do
As in, I like how everywhere is silent.
He reached to do because
I like
I try reason them, but for me, as much as if I don't know as I want to come.
You know, it's for further education. You don't get first degree.
Yes, you don't get first degree. For me, I don't feel saying that the right step for him.
Thank you.
Because first of all, when you sell the kidney, no be guarantee say you go pass the masters where you want to go do. So what's going to happen when you can't do them? You know pass the exam. You know still get job. Now you did less of one kidney and you did blind.
Very true, Betiana.
So I just feel say somehow we feel they complicating matters by himself. Now with your first degree, you still feel they hustle, they find job and everything. But selling your kidney or selling any part of your body at all, that's another form of blood money for me, and I don't subscribe to him at all.
Betiana, you know what's happened? God bless your comments. Now, you know, say when we ask that question, I got to take a very deep breath. The thing I be say, yes, everybody understand the situation where this guy dey inside, and especially when into saying don't try find work from so many media organizations or elsewhere, nobody they give a job. This is now why the guy suppose reason, sit down reason, say, okay, with this first degree or the one where I get, I know they get the job. Now, if I come still, okay, if he say won't sell the kidney now, to take begin do business, not be to take start job. But the point I be saying, no even suppose sell them for any reason at all. You know why? In as much as people, they believe say if one kidney go, the other one will still be there to function well. But the point is, 2 is better than 1 in any situation where you're there. And if you check in your own situation out now in sight, no they there, share you get, that is -1 thing for him. Now you won't come do -2, that's the kidney. It go just be like saying they jump from bad to worse for me. I just believe say, making just try do something, making leave education for now, because you don't need to get all the whole certificate for life to be successful. Exactly. Whether you get one, whether you get 2, no matter. Some people they will be saying now ordinary ND, now they get. If you know the position where they need today, some don't even wait for people to employ them. If you be saying Natasha things, then they do. So the point now be say, make the guy just do it. Make it just live in kidney as it be so. Make it live on.
Very true. I totally go with you now. Don't talk. But for me, you don't get first degree. Just look for something to do. Now, I know they compulsory say you go work for a company, big company, but you can start something on your own. They repair your friends' electrical appliances, and from there, something will actually pay out for you. Now, we go actually need to buy more, but when we come back after the break, a lot of people, they come outside talk, say men and women for Nigeria, they need to get equal rights. But actors and activists, for Luke Daramola, don't come outside talk, say it is not possible for a woman to be above the man or for them to get equal rights. How true she did or how right she did? When we come back after the break, we'll talk more concerning this one.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.